Hello guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Trisha and you're watching Trisha's Lifestyle. I am back with another haul video, and this time this is going to be a Club Factory accessories haul. So the things which I'm going to show you all today, I've been collecting them for quite a while. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That is going to make me really very happy. So let's begin with the video. The first thing which I'm going to show you all is an earring. It's called retro geometric simple circle exaggerated earrings. It's like this. It doesn't look as big shown in the picture, so yeah, it's in the color gold and it looks quite good. It has got an Indo-Western look to it. It has a flowery kind of pattern. It's kind of flimsy, but yeah, if you can handle it properly, then it's like good. The next earring which I'm going to show you is called Bohemian Alloy Tassel Earrings. I have got it in red color. So it is also available in like 5-6 different colors like red, white, beige, yellow, all those. So I like this red one. This looks really pretty with Indian clothes like saris, kurtis, Indian looks, Indian clothes. I really love them. It looks really cute. So the next earring which I'm going to show you is this one. It's called Creative Gold Silver Plated Smooth Circle Hollow Out Round Big Earring Gifts. This one. It's in the color gold and it looks really good with Western clothes. You can pair it with Indian clothes even, I think. So it looks more better with Western clothes. So yeah, you can see it. Next item which I'm going to show you is a bangle. It's called Opening Turquoise Bangle. It's this one. It's a turquoise bangle and it is also available like in a white color, like a white marble print plated with gold color. It looks quite good, you know. It's a little bit big for my wrist, but it still looks good. Next thing which I'm going to show you is a necklace. It's called Long Double Layer Stick Necklace. So it comes in a packaging like it's adjustable. You can adjust it according to your wish. Its metal type is zinc alloy and is in a geometric pattern. Keep it in mind that you need to keep all these away from water or anything, otherwise this can get rusted. The next things which I'm going to show you are sunglasses. So the first one, it's called Cat Eye Sunglasses Tinted Lens Men Vintage Shaped Sunglasses Female Eyewear. It looks like this. It looks the same as the picture. It's quite big and it is in a very good material. It's sturdy and yeah, it looks good. It looks really good in pictures as well. The second one is called Classic Metal Personality Eyeglasses for Women. Looks like this. This one also looks just as it is shown in the picture. It has got a pink tint to it. Yeah, these are reflectors. This one is also quite affordable, and yeah, this is also in a very good material. These are like gold color plated. Also looks very good. So with this, now we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that this helped you in any ways. I will link all the products in the description box below. You can go and check it out if you want to. And before leaving, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That's gonna make me really very happy. See you in the next video. Bye.